Hi, I'm Chef George Mendez, and I'm the owner and executive chef of Ohio Japanese Comfort Food. I also have Tadeo Filipino-Mexican Comfort Food, which is located in Quezon City. I also have other concepts like Bird Tubs and Hatch Manila, which is located also in Quezon City as well. I've been a chef for 10 years and doing a food consultancy for quite a while. At this very moment, I'm very excited because I'll be using world-class quality and reliable Koizumi kitchen appliances. So join me and let's create a delicious yet very easy recipes using Koizumi small kitchen appliances.
Hi guys! I am browsing right now in the internet looking for some Japanese recipes. And I saw this very known Japanese cake, the Japanese cheesecake. How about let's try cooking it using Koizumi multi-cooker? Tara, samahan niyo ako. So for our Japanese cheesecake, the ingredients we're going to use are white sugar, lemon juice, 4 pieces of egg whites for our meringue, and then 4 pieces yolk or egg yolk, flour or cake flour, cheesecake, milk, butter, and hot water. So first step, I have here hot water, then top natin yung cream cheese natin, then mix it with butter. Then add milk. So once fully incorporated na siya, let's remove it to our water. Then gradually add our cake flour. Once na mix na natin yung flour, let's add our egg yolk. So once we added our egg yolk, let's proceed by making our meringue. So for our meringue mixture, let's mix our egg whites and lemon juice. Then gradually add your white sugar. So once we added all of the sugar, stop tayo pag medyo soft peak na yung egg whites natin. So guys, yan, medyo nag-set na siya. Pwede natin siyang i-fold with our mixture. Once fully mixed na, transfer na natin siya. So let's cook it na. Open our Koizumi multi-cooker. Then same as before, press rice and start. So our cheesecake done cooking na. Let's check. Ayan. So nice and fluffy. So I have here blueberries, different cuts of mango, and then Mandarin Orange and strawberry para ilalagay natin on top of our cheesecake. So now let's proceed to our plating. Let's get our plate in our Koizumi dish dryer. So here's our Japanese cheesecake.